Let's talk brakes. How long yours last depends on where, what, and how you drive. City traffic, steep grades, towing, hauling, and aggressive driving can all shorten the life of your brakes. Here are 6 warning signs. 1. Strange sounds. 2. Vibration in your steering wheel. 3. A mushy or pulsating brake pedal. 4. Pulling to one side when braking. 5. A hot, burning smell. And 6. Your brake warning light. Addressing these issues quickly will do more than help you stop safely. It can also help you avoid a more costly repair. Here's why. Most vehicles have disc brakes that work kinda like the brakes on a 10-speed bike. Calipers, with brake pads, clamp down on a disc called a rotor to stop your vehicle. The brake pads wear out over time. Wait too long to replace these inexpensive pads, and you may end up damaging your more expensive calipers and rotors. So come on, pay attention to your brakes. You'll be safer on the road and keep more cash in your wallet. Bring your vehicle to the Mopar brake specialist at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. We'll check your calipers, your pads, and your rotors. We're factory trained and use original equipment parts. Mopar, at your service.